Good morning. My name is Blanca Rosa Monterroso. I am a student for the course English 7 conversation. For today, I talking about the tax one. Tax one, I have two steps. The first step is according to the question. I said my answer for this. Okay, now English conversation is a course that always students to language in real-time activity to improve their English speaking. Now, in the syllabus, I found four learning outcomes. According to the interaction activity, I think that it is the virtual space that allows the student to synchronize in real time with the teacher, having a meeting to train speech in this language. According to the activity, the total activity for this course is 6. What is the activity for the course implied right time interaction? It is for tax 2, tax 3, tax 4, and tax 5. Sorry, for tax 6. Okay, now, according to the ruler or conditional, the ruler and conditional this course is necessary indicate some requirement for age programs. It is necessary to activity happen age for meeting and additional to send and carrying out activity and quiz. Okay, according to the seventh question, yes, my email institutional it is working, yes. Okay, now for the other step, the step, this is my reference. I have a B2 level certificate. I am a teacher in the areas of English in the grade of kindergarten, preschool, transition, and first grade. In the private school Caritas Felices in San Antero, Córdoba. At present, I consider myself a level B1, since my work status have always been with very young children. And I haven't tried for certain more events knowledge. It has been a difficult process in there to ability to speak with much for continue in the continuing improvement. From my point of view, study language seems field is very more is much easier to count a native speaker since it is the second language that is used for the initial step for the start. Starting command from common expression or basic knowledge as for the time studying foreign language. I believe that it have no limit or period. It is for constant learning for life. I think that it is very important because it is bridging benefits from your personal, professional, economy, and knowledge organizes day and concept necessary in a space for intent to meet. Thank you.